Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Now we are learn beautiful animals name dog. Very nice, very nice. Then wow, goat. Very nice, very beautiful. Then wow, cat. Amazing. Wow, rabbit. Very nice, very beautiful. Then wow, sheep. So good. Wow, parrot. Very beautiful. Wow, duck. Very nice. Wow, chicken. Very beautiful. So good. Wow, roaster. Amazing. Wow, ostrich. Amazing. Wow, camel. Very nice. Wow, horse. Very beautiful. Wow, big size cow. Very beautiful color. Amazing. Wow, buffalo. Very nice. Wow, donkey. So good. Wow, ox. Very nice. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Keep support.